Hi guys, welcome to Cognitive Hub SQL tutorials. In this video, I am going to explain about one more special operator in SQL, that is nothing but a between operator. In the previous video, we have seen about how to do a in operator, like how to use a in operator as well as not in operator in SQL. And I also explained with the help of a query example. And in this video, I am going to explain about a between operator and what is the difference between in as well as between operator. Now, without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. Okay guys, here I am just deleting this query here. I am saving it, and here this is the table that we have previously, and create table products name. This is the columns present in this products are p underscore name, that means product name, as well as product month, p underscore month, and then product price. Now what I did was I have considered the prices of this particular mobile phones in the span of 3 months, that means March, April month. And I am just retrieving the contents from the products name. Just want to show you. Select star from products, and I am running this query. And if you see this, we have total of 8 records here. 3 from Realme X2 and 3 from Redmi Note 8, as well as 2 from OnePlus 70. Now what I want to do is I want to previously in the in operator, what we have seen is we have seen about suppose if that one particular value, one particular column value is matches with the some group of values, either of the group of values, then we print that particular entire record in the output table. Suppose if we have a group of records like March, April, May and June, and we are going to compare with the p underscore month with that particular 3 values, then whenever that particular one value, either if it is March, and if March is there in any of the considered values in the in operator, then it is the entire particular record is going to print in output table. Now between operator, what it will show is, so suppose here we have a salaries, right? So I don't want the complete records. I want to do some aggregation based, I want to do some segregation based on the salaries. I want to print only the records, only the mobile phones having price value between 20,000 to 40,000. I don't want the below records. So we have seen this type of filtering while doing a we have seen this type of filtering in some of the websites like Flipkart and Amazon, while filtering out the price ranges while selecting for a particular mobile phone or for a particular product. And what I am going to do is, in order to show the between operator, here select star from products. You need to specify here where salary, we need to add that particular operator for the salary. I want to check for that particular condition for the salary, that means salary is greater than 20,000 as well as less than 40,000. Now I want to filter those records. Sorry, not the salary here, p underscore price. I want to filter it out p underscore price where value is greater than 20,000 and less than 40,000, and p underscore price is between 20,000, and you need to specify relational operator logical operators here as and to 20,000 and 40,000. Now what it is doing is, it is specifying that if the price value p underscore price is between is greater than 20,000 and less than 40,000, then that particular record is going to print it in our console. If it is not satisfying the condition as p underscore price is greater than 20,000 or p underscore price is less than 40,000, then it is not going to print it in our console. Now I am running it. Now if you observe that only there are 2 records which is satisfying these 2 conditions, greater than 20,000 and less than 40,000, and rest of the records are greater than 40,000 or less than 20,000. Now I am just changing this condition to a little bit. I am changing the values to 60,000. If you observe that I am running this query again. If you observe, we have all the values greater than 20,000 and less than 60,000. So this is how it will get executed. And in the previously in the in operator, what we have is, if we specify the p underscore price, and with the in operator we specified all the values. Suppose if that particular p underscore price is equal to some 20,000 or 40,000 or 60,000, then it is only that particular value which exactly equals to that particular value present in that particular specified group, then only that particular record is getting printed in our console. But here is we need to specify the range here. The between operator will check the particular value within the given range. Here value 1 and value 2. Here value 1 and value 2 are nothing but a min and max bound of that particular range. So this is how between operator will work in SQL. So that is all about this video, guys. Thank you for watching.